Hey, Ollie. Good swimmer. Good swimming, Ollie. Oliver, come here. Oliver, come here. Come here. Hey, can you see it?
Oliver, sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Come here.
Oh, Scotty, don't pull me. Hey. Hey, buddy. Scotty, you don't want to swim? Scotty, you don't want to swim? Here, call him back out there.
Come on.
Go get him.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Oliver, sit.
Sit. Sit.
Oh, gosh, she pulls me every time he's doing something. Good, Ollie. That was hard work. Good boy. Hi. Thank you. Superman it in. Good, Scotty.
You in the water, Scotty?
Not really. Oliver, show her how to do it. Show her how you jump in. You're so brave. Oliver will be 3 months old tomorrow. Yeah, show her. Very good. And she's 3 years old and she won't even get in.
No.
Sky's a little precious angel. She just don't want to get wet. Whoa. Lost control of both of them. Where you guys going? Come on, guys. Come on. Good girl, Scotty. Good, Scotty. Good girl, Scotty. Good. Good, Bo. Hey, girl. Hey, buddy. No jump. Oliver, see it. See it. Show us how good you can see it.
Come here, Scotty.
Uh-oh, she's not gonna like this.
Don't care.
Oh. It's okay, Scotty. Good girl. Good, Scotty. So that's far enough, isn't it? Good, Oliver. We see you too. Good, Scotty. Oliver said good job too, Scotty.
She's gonna be pissed on that.
Can I get in? Can it be my turn?
What?
Can it be my turn to get in? Or do you want to stay in for a little bit?
No, I don't want to be in here at all.
Oh, well you just... Okay. Are you getting on the canoe? Where you going, Ollie?
Let me take it.
Still working out. You can turn it off. I knew that was coming. See it? See it? Alright. Let's go deep. We'll go deep. Come here, Scotty. Come here, Scotty. Oliver. Come here. Come here. They're kind of over it.
Yeah.
Oliver's on the canoe. He said, no, I'm not there.
Call him.
Oliver. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. So not interested. Ollie. Oliver. See it? See it. Oliver. See it. Yep, don't work. He doesn't listen to me, neither. Come here.